Alrighty guys, we're here at, not sure what building this is, here in Midland, Texas. Look at this. What is electronic? Sally, they're modern. Let's see here. Basement. It's a good 10. Sorry, they've been modern, but let's go back down to 1. There's Cam, although it's a little bit modern. I'm gonna write the other one since it's on the separate controller. Okay. See, look at this. This one's on a separate controller, which is kind of weird. And this is the service car. Actually, on same controller. It's kind of weird. They have 3 button now. That's for like show. Yeah, Otis. Series 2 mod. Well, that Otis. So this is the service car. So it's nothing too exciting. Yeah, 1. Simple door. Nice. I would say this is a tasteful mod, except for this. Look at this. It's the old Otis electronic. Don't know why the car buttons are separate, but they're the same controller. Anyway, I guess that is gonna be it for me.